No tight jeans, no designs in my Caesar. No mohawks.
Like you ain't already know, it's Carnegie Kid. The hootin'est, tootin'est, rootin'est, shootin'est. The boss of braggadocio. The prime minister of pimping. The mayor of machismo. The soul and the swag. The juggernaut of je ne sais quoi. And I'm welcoming y'all to the highly anticipated, long-awaited Carnegie Hall. And this is the intro called No No. The no-no is something that you're not supposed to do, but I took it and flipped it to spell it K-N-O-W-N-O. Kinda the same way Martin Lawrence did it in Don't You Know No Good. But I chose the title first because the song doesn't have a beat. I felt like the lyrics would resonate more without an instrumental. But second, because I wanted to give you a blueprint of what Carnegie Kid in left field does not stand for. No tight jeans, no designs in my Caesar. No mohawks, I don't fuck with those neither. No Gucci bag, nigga, I ain't no diva. No pierced lips, no switch, no beaver. A lot of people try to jump on trends and try to ride waves of what's current and what's hot right now to make themselves relevant. But I just wanted to make a strong statement first and foremost to let everybody know that's not what I'm about. But I'll let y'all get to know me a little bit better with this new project, Carnegie Hall. This the intro called No No, from me, A-Nall, the Carnegie Kid.
No tight jeans, no designs
Left field.
No mohawks, I don't fuck with those neither.